Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2015 Acura MDX Maintenance Light Reset. We are going to use this button right here. Keep in mind this button is also used as a scroller, so you can press on it and you can scroll it. Okay, now go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have the push start, then go ahead and click it twice without your foot on the brake. If you have the key, then turn your ignition to the second position without your foot on the brake. And we're going to be using that screen right there. As you can see, oil life is only 15%. Now go ahead and use that scroller and scroll down, all the way down until you find vehicle setting. Now enter on vehicle setting. Now scroll down, keep scrolling until you find maintenance info. Click OK on that. Okay, now scroll down, see reset, click on reset. Give it about a few seconds, and there you go, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.